Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Rizki S. Fadhlullah.
And my name is Fahril Paputungan.
Today we will make a tutorial on how to make a 3D intro video. Check it out.
Okay, before we will start, make your PC is connected to the internet. In step 1, open your browser application. Here we use the Google Chrome. Okay, then type the link in the search file www.penzoid.com. Okay, after being on the home page, select the intro clip maker template that you want to use. And here we have chosen the template. We first try to play the animation first. After animation is finished, please click on the cube icon on the left. And select the text and change your name. Then we play again if the animation has been replaced or not. If you have clicked the save icon, then rendering animation. Wait a while until it finishes rendering. Okay, the next step, then click download video. And done.
That's all tutorial how to make 3D intro video. Thank you very much and
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
thanks for watching.